Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Elite Cuisine 2-slice capacity toaster oven. Before I do that, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment and under the video below. Yeah, so please like, subscribe, and comment. So first I'm gonna do is show you the box. You can use it to bake. It's a very small toaster. Here's the things you can make with this. I needed a small toaster because I don't have a lot of space in my kitchen. It only has 15 minutes. 15 minutes timer, and yeah, it's very small. It costs around $30, $37, and yeah, so let's open it up. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. So what do you get? You get a user manual, so here are the instructions. Read the instructions. Always read the instructions and then like my video. Here are the parts. And let's open the oven. Let's take it out. You get styrofoam on the side. It's tiny. You get a pan. And that's everything you get. It looks like a return item, but it doesn't really matter to me. It's super cheap. So I like cheap stuff, but I don't like stuff that are made in China cheap. I don't like making made in China cheap, but I like cheap though. Here are the pans. It's tiny. This is the pan. This is the amount of food you can put on. Take off the plastic. It's really small. It's very, very small. Okay, so you got a plastic here. You look at the size of this. So you open it, you can't clean the stuff at the bottom. So you would put that here and put the food. You can put like very small things in it, like croissant or bread. There's not much space, but I think if I'm cooking, you know, some kind of chicken, or you can do it. One disadvantage is this 15 minutes timer. So it's 15 minutes. which I wish it was 30 minutes, but this is glass, which I'm very surprised. This is glass. Let me show you the back. Yeah, so overall it's a good product. Yeah, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See ya.